We're Mataaho Collective. We're 4 Māori artists who live in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and we work together to create large-scale installation projects. We've been invited to the Venice Biennale 2024.
The Venice Biennale has always been one of those exhibitions that family members or people we know who are not really connected to the art world or beast know about. What's exciting for us is the request for us to show in the Biennale has come directly from the curator of the Venice Biennale.
It's been curated by Adriano Pedrosa, who's the first curator from the Southern Hemisphere. We're really excited that the other artists that have been invited into the curated exhibition are all Māori. They all have established careers, they're senior artists, and we feel extremely honoured to be able to be in conversation with them and be exhibiting alongside them.